guys, today we are going to label our sentence. All right, we are going to label all the parts of speech. And I hope you just do your best. If you miss some of these, that is perfectly fine. This is a pretty big sentence with lots of parts. So, I'm trying to think. I guess I can just list them and label what I found. So I saw the words your and mine in the sentence, and I know that both of these are possessive pronouns. Both of them are showing ownership, okay? And then we have quite a few just nouns. We have the word eyes. I saw the word diamond. And then lead. These are all, I didn't spell lead right. These are all things, which mean they are nouns. Okay? You have the word are, which we haven't talked about too much, but this is something called a linking verb. We have the words like and as, which are both our simile words, but they're also something called a preposition. And I know we will study those later this year. You have the word the, which is just something called an article. Ooh, and then we have some great adjectives. We have the word bright, and we have the word dull. And these are both adjectives. And of course, last but not least, we have the word but, which is a conjunction. So, I'm sure you didn't get all of these, and that is okay. Now, I really want you focusing, especially on, you should be doing the pronouns, you should be able to do the nouns, you should be able to do the adjectives, and by now you should be able to pick out that that is a conjunction. If you missed the linking verbs and the article and the preposition, that's okay. Okay, because we haven't really studied those yet in class. But if you got them, awesome, awesome job. All right, that is it for today.